Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 29, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is National VFW Day. Hero at Home by Sarah Verado. This is Grace's dad. He wanted to serve in the United States Army as an infantryman with the 82nd Airborne to protect the freedom of all Americans. He was sent to Afghanistan to protect America and was wounded in action while fighting for our country. He wears a special leg that looks like it belongs on a robot. His arm was rebuilt with lots of tools. Sometimes he uses a wheelchair. His outdoor wheelchair goes very fast and can go in sand, snow, and in the woods. Grace and her little sisters take turns riding in his lap. Grace's dad is still working hard to get better. He rests and goes to the doctor a lot. Every morning, Grace helps her daddy's nurse check his heart, his head, and his lungs. Sometimes he is sad because he misses his friends who didn't come home to their families. Noises, smells, and experiences can remind him of being back in war. Grace's dad has a brain injury. Sometimes he makes mistakes like putting keys in the fridge and milk in the closet. Grace, her sisters, and their mom help him with his day. Grace's dad tells her that sometimes people get hurt and their bodies change, but they still have the same heart. Grace's dad has lots of friends that also have new arms and legs. They are all American heroes. The end. We're going to make a disco American flag. It's not going to be exactly an American flag because we only have 12 stars. But it'll give you the idea of a flag. Now, you have instructions that come with your Craft-to-Go kit. It shows you the order to stick the jebs on. If you choose to do it a different way, that's your choice. I'm going to follow the pattern though. So your Craft-to-Go kit includes these gems that are sticky on the back. They're sticky back there. They're on a piece of plastic. This flag template and a string so that you can hang it up. Now you'll have to push out the little hole. There's only one hole. So you put it through and just give it a good square knot at the top. And this way you can hang it up. What you're going to do is just peel and stick. I'm going to peel this off. Stick it up there. Now the pattern they gave us told me to put 12 stars on this flag in 3 rows. So that's what I'm going to do. Again, if you want to make yours a different way and stick them, put stars on the outside and circles on the inside, that's up to you. You can do it however you want. It's your flag. But I'm going to do this the way they say to. And they say to put circles and squares up here, the red on the top row. Then I guess they're clear. I don't know, they kind of look silvery to me, the other ones. But you're just gonna, again, make whatever pattern you want. This is your flag. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the recording so that I can get this done, and then I'll show you what mine looks like. And again, I'm not gonna keep beating this down, but again, do it however you'd like to do it. I mean, it doesn't have to be an American flag. It can just be a flag that you like. Okay, I got all my little stickers on, and this is what my American flag looks like. My disco American flag. So you can see it's a little wonky. I have some crooked stars, some crooked stripes, but we can pretend it's waving in the wind. And that's why it's all crooked. Or you can just have a crooked flag, no big deal. However you like it.